Leetcode weekly context 498. Question number 2. Smallest stable index number 2. We can see this medium problem is exactly the same question as question number 1. The only difference is we gonna have a longer array of numbers. We did have 100 for question number 1, but we are having 10,000 in question number 2. That's the key point between the easy one and this medium one. But I believe the solution gonna be the same. So what we're gonna do is still to focus on the key point for the index. We're gonna find out the max value and the minimum value, and we're gonna prepare two arrays, one for max and one for minimum. The point of this is if we can prepare these two arrays, we don't have to calculate maximum number and a minimum number again and again, since we already have these things in hand. So I believe we can handle this medium one with the same solution, which is by preparing and loop all the elements forward. But this is the solution we're gonna use to solve this problem.